Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. As part of our management lessons, let's now learn about the levels of management. There are three levels: top level, middle level, lower level. Okay, you have to remember simply one thing: what to achieve is top level, how to achieve is middle level, execute it every day is lower level. Simply remember, simply think. In another way, give directions in top level, implements in the middle level, executes in the lower level. Simply remember. In another way, top level sets the direction, middle level makes it happen, and lower level gets the work done. Simple. Finally, all together they achieve organization goals. All together they achieve organizational goals with the proper coordination. For better understanding, I am giving example here in one sentence to all levels. Listen carefully. Real life example I am giving. See, if a school wants to increase its pass percentage, as a top level here, the director, chairman sets the goals of achieve a 95 percentage rate. This is the top level. And next, in the middle level, principal and HOD prepare the study plans and distribution responsibilities. And next, lower level, teachers conduct separate classes and give practices and mock tests and help students to improve. This is the simple example I have given to all levels in single sentence. Okay. Next, let's see roles of each level here. First, top level sets goals, objectives, and policies. Next, takes major decisions for the organization, plans for the long-term growth and survival, represents organization to outside the world. Who is here? CEO, MD, BOD means board of directors, and president. Okay. Next, middle level convert policies into plans and programs, coordinate between top level and middle level, monitor performance and ensure plans are followed, solves problems and takes corrective action. Who comes here? Departmental manager, divisional manager, branch manager, regional manager. Next, lower level management roles: supervises and guides operating employees, ensures daily work is completed as per standards, maintain discipline and good work environment among employees, reporting problems to middle level management. Who comes here? Supervisor, team leader, and in charges. You can also write as conclusion or key points in examination. Here I am giving all three levels are independent. Top level sets direction, middle level implements, lower level executes. Effective coordination among three levels ensures organizational success. Information flows, information flows both ways, up to down and across. Okay. Next topic: management is as science, as an art and profession. Okay. I have given you a brief introduction in nature of management topic, but here giving with more example. See, using systematic knowledge, following principles. Here, science, having knowledge is science. And next, what is art? Having creativity, innovation, effective communication, practical skills is an art. Having professional skills, specialized knowledge, ethical value is profession. Okay, remember simply here. And giving example here, a sales manager uses scientific knowledge to analyze data and make structured decisions is science. It applies in innovative way through the effective communication skills to lead people and in a creative art. Operates with the ethics and specialized knowledge, having ethical skills, ethical values is profession. And give another example for better understanding you. If we take example as a teacher here, a teacher takes classes using the teacher subject knowledge is science. Explain concepts through the real life example and practical example for better understanding to students is an art. Having professional skills and follow ethical values is profession. Next topic is significance of management. Significance. What is significance? Significance is the importance of something. Another way, the reason why it matters is significance. And giving another way also, why is this useful to us is significance. Okay, I explained in 7 steps here. What are those here? Achieving group goals, increasing efficiency, optimum use of resources, creating a dynamic organization, achieving personal objectives, developing teamwork and coordination, contributing to social development. First one is achieving group goals. So I also given examples in two ways, a real estate example and a school example here for better understanding. You see here, achieving group goals. Management gives a common direction to all and coordinate to all their efforts to achieve organizational goals. Coordinate their efforts to achieve organization goals. Example, the real estate company sets a target to sell 100 flats. The sales manager divides the target among sales executives and monitors their performance. Okay, school example. The school aims to achieve a 95 percentage of academic year. The principal, teachers and students work together to reach this goal. That is the group goals and achieving group goals. Next one is increasing efficiency. What is the effectiveness? What is the efficiency? Okay, I will explain. I am explaining now only. Effectiveness is doing the right thing. Efficiency is doing the thing right. Understand? Giving example. Doing the right thing to achieve the goal is the effectiveness. Doing the thing right to achieving the goal with minimum time, money and resources is efficiency. Example also here. Effectiveness is if sales manager or sales team sells 10 plots and achieve the target is the effectiveness. That 10 plots out by using less advertisement cost, less time and fewer resources is efficiency. And also giving another example, a student wants to score 90 marks. Studying the right topics and scoring 90% is effectiveness. Scoring that 90% by studying smartly in minimum time is efficiency. Managing time level is efficiency. Let's see now increasing efficiency. Management helps reduce costs, avoid wastages, and increase productivity through proper planning and control. Effective utilization of resources simply. Example here, proper planning helps the builder, real estate builder, use construction materials, labor and money efficiency. Okay, through the proper planning, he can reduce his wastage and give efficient building through the proper planning. And here, example, a timetable helps the school use classrooms, teachers and teaching hours effectively. This is next optimum use of resource. Management ensures the best use of human, financial, physical and technical resources. Example, a manager assigns the right sales executives to the right customer and uses digital marketing to generate leads. Okay, giving here right sales executives to right customer to closing the D leads. School example, the principal assigns teacher according to their subjects and experience for fulfilling their targets, their subject syllabus. Okay. Next, creating dynamic organization. Management helps an organization adjust to changes in technology. I have already explained in nature. So according to technology, we have to adapt. Okay. As for customer needs, we have to change. As for competition in the society, we have to change accordingly. As for business environment, we have to change. That is the dynamic organization. Example, a real estate company uses social media, advertising, online advertising, and CRM software attract modern customers. Digital marketing like social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, like so. School example, a school introduces smart classrooms, online learning, and digital assessments. Next, achieving personal objectives. Good management motivates employees and helps them achieve their personal goals while working toward organization goals. Whenever they work for organization also motivates employees and helps them to achieve their personal goals in their career. Example, a sales executive receives incentives, recognition, and career growth for achieving sales targets only. Okay. Teacher receives appreciation, training opportunities, and promotion for their good performance. Okay. So this is useful their personal growth, that is the achieving personal objectives. Next one, developing teamwork and coordination. Management coordinates the activities of different people and different departments and promotes cooperation among employees. Okay, example here, the sales, finance, legal, construction, and customer service departments work together, complete a customer purchases smoothly. So already here they I have explained in nature also how can we coordinate each other to achieving the goals. Okay, and also example here, uh, school example, the principal coordinates teachers, office staff, students, and parents for the successful conduct of an annual examination or any academic year. And last one, in significance of management, contributing to social development. Effective management helps provide quality products and services, creates employment, adapts new technology, and supports economic and social development. Okay, contributing social development. A well managed housing project, if you manage it properly, that creates job to us for engineers, laborers, salespeople, security staff, and maintenance works or any other works. School example, a well managed school provides quality education and develops responsible and skilled citizens. So, if the school managed quality education, the students became a skilled and developed as a responsible citizen. And simply, I am given conclusion here. Management is significant because it helps achieve goals, improve efficiency, use resources properly, motivate employees, manage change, coordinate them their activities, and contribute the development of society also. So management is significant in these ways.